Hi everyone, today I want to show you how to get a special 50% discount on a very cool tool called Dropmagic.ai. First, what is Dropmagic? It's an AI service that helps you build a professional online store, especially for dropshipping. If you have a product, Dropmagic.ai uses AI to quickly create a full branded website for it. It writes product descriptions, helps with design, and builds your store in just a few minutes. It's a great tool to start selling online very fast. How to build your page. Okay, so once you are logged in, the first step is to paste your product's URL. Dropmagic will start processing all the information, like the description, reviews, and product features. Next, you will need to set up your landing page. First, choose the landing page language. We will choose English. Next, choose your targeted angles for marketing. We'll select this one. In this step, choose the hook angle. Finally, we will choose the number of product images. To make our landing page as fast as possible, we will choose only 5 photos. Once done, click on Go to Store, and boom, as you can see, our landing page is already built. It might need a few small changes, like updating some features or adding photos, but it's 99% ready. How to get your discount. When you're ready to publish this to your Shopify store, just click the Publish button. Now, you will see the payment pop up. As you can see, because we registered using the special offer link, we have already benefited from a 50% discount. The coupon code, DROP50, is already applied. Instead of paying $80, the price is now only $39.99. But if you don't see the discount, don't worry. It just means you didn't use the offer link to register. No problem. Just look on this pop-up for a discount code field or coupon code. Type the code DROP50 and click Apply. You will then get your 50% discount. Now let's click Continue and pay for the subscription. And here's the final landing page, published and ready. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to thank me in the comments for the special coupon code I brought to you. It will help you save a lot of money. And please don't forget to like the video, share it, and comment